Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome to this mid of the first semester English revision, Al-Andalus Primary Private School for Boys 2025-2026. I hope you find it easy and useful, and I hope also to focus with me and get the most benefit. So, as I said before, this is the mid of first semester English revision for grade 4, and let's get started. First of all, you will find this exercise, this question, which says language functions. In this part, you have to read all the questions and all the answers at first before answering a single question. Why? In order to know the information in each line or in each question and answer. So let's read them together. How often or how often do you have PE? What's your favorite sport? What time do you go to school and how many brothers have you got? How many brothers have you got? The answers are tennis at 8 o'clock, two brothers twice a week. So, question number one, how often do you have PE? Yes, that's right. It is twice a week. Two, what's your favorite sport? Excellent students, it is tennis. Three, what time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? It is letter B at 8 o'clock. The last question says, how many brothers have you got? It is letter C, two brothers. Excellent, everyone. Again, it's the same question, the same exercise, but different questions, I mean. So, where are you from, Ali? What's your favorite subject? How often do you play basketball? And what time do you go to sleep, Hamid? So the answers are A, science, B, once a week, C, at 10 o'clock, D, I am from Kuwait. So one, where are you from, Ali? Excellent. It's letter D, I am from Kuwait. Two, what's your favorite subject? Well done. It is letter A, science. Three, how often do you play basketball? How often do they play basketball? Well done, it's letter B, once a week. Four, what time do you go to sleep, Hamid? Marvelous. Letter C, at 10 o'clock. Okay, and this is the reading comprehension question. When we come to this question, we have to do something which is very important, and I'm going to show you what are we going to do right now. Just okay, that's right. We have to read the passage and questions at first in order to know what are we going to search for and to know for which specific information are you going to search for. So let's read the passage and then read the questions together. Hello, Ali. How are you? I hope you're fine. I'm writing to you to tell you about my favorite subjects at school. I am good at science. In science class, we sometimes do experiments. I really enjoy it. I love my English class too because we always read stories and learn new words. I'm proud of how well I do in these subjects and I always try my best. I am bad at art, but I'm trying to develop my drawing skills in my free time. What about you? Write back soon or write me back, Hamid. Write me back, Hamid. So here we have um, my favorite subject. We're going to talk about our favorite subject at school. That's the main idea. And doing experiments. Then because we always read stories and learn new words. These are key features. Then I'm proud, I'm bad at art, sorry, I'm bad at art. And let's answer the questions. Question number one says, what is the text mainly about? What's the text mainly about? If we go back here again, you will find in the second line, my favorite subjects at school. So here the correct answer is letter C. Well done. Favorite subjects. Question number two, what does Hamid do in the science class? What does Hamid do in the science class? Again, if we go back, we will find it here. We sometimes do experiments. So, experiments, doing experiments. Three, why does Hamid love English class? Who remembers? Excellent, because they always read stories and learn new words. And learn new words. Which subject is Hamid bad at? Which subject is Hamid bad at? Brilliant. At art. It's the art subject. Well done, everyone. The same thing with the second passage. We're gonna read the passage and read the questions, then answer. Hi, my name is Lisa. I usually wake up at 7:30 on school days, but on weekends I usually wake up at half past 10 o'clock or 10:30 o'clock. Both are correct. I have breakfast at 8 o'clock during the week, but I don't have breakfast on weekends. I usually go to school by car at 10 past 8, but I don't go to school on weekends. I do my homework at 4 o'clock, but I don't have any homework on weekends. Instead, I play online games or read books. I go to bed every night at 10 p.m. Great. So, question number one, what is the text mainly about? What's the text mainly about? It's about excellent daily routines. It's about daily routine. Question number two, what does Lisa do at the weekend? Excellent, play online games. Great effort. And here, how does Lisa go to school? By bus, by car, on foot, or by train? Marvelous. By car. And what time does Lisa go to bed? It is at 10 p.m. What time? Of course, asks about the time. So we have to mention a specific hour or a specific time. What does Lisa usually do at 4 o'clock on school days? 4 o'clock on school days? Yes, do or does her homework. So Lisa does her homework. Okay. Um, this, of course, by mistake. So let's try to write it correctly. So it should be does her homework. So Lisa does her homework. That's the correct answer. Does her homework. And a full stop. So Lisa, what does Lisa usually do at 4 o'clock on a week on school days? Does her homework. Excellent students. And let's move to the next one. So now you see in front of you, does her homework. Great. It's one. And here, fill in the gaps with the suitable words from the box. Fill in the gaps with the suitable words from the box. Okay. Art, PE, math. What are they? Students, they are school subjects. So the first question says, she can count to 20. She's good at excellent math. We learn how to count in which school subject? Of course, math. 2. Ali likes sports. His favorite subject is in which school subjects do we play sports? Excellent. It is PE. The third question, how or he doesn't like coloring. He's bad at art. He's bad at art. Great job. IT, market, British. IT is a school subject, market is a place, and British is the nationality of UK. So Sarah's from UK. She is excellent British. 2, we buy milk and bread from there. What is the place that we go to buy bread? Well done. Market. And the third and last question, Ali likes computers. He's good at IT. Okay. Then we have American, poor, and PE. American is the nationality of USA. Poor, people who don't have money. PE is the school subject. My favorite subject is PE. Well done. I always help space people. So I always help poor people. Great. The third question says, my friend is from the USA. He is excellent. He is American. He is American. Okay, here we go to the phonics section. Read it and choose the correct answer. Which word has the same first sound as in ship? Again, which word has the same first sound as in ship? So first sound, be careful, not the last sound. So the first sound here is, as you see here, ship. So is is it the same in the word fork, shirt, thin, mango? The correct answer is letter B, ship and shirt. It's the same initial sound. Which word has the same ending sound as in pear, chair, tea, bread, or head? Pear, we are searching for the last sounds. So it is here, pear and chair. Excellent students. 3. Which word doesn't belong? This question means which one is the odd word or which one is different. So let's read them together and find out. Look, hook, rice, cook. Who knows? Yes, that's the correct answer. Letter C, which is rice. And now Hamid likes numbers. He is math. If he likes numbers, this means he's bad at math, good at math, worse at math, or nice at math. Which one is correct? Yes, that's right. Good at math. Excellent students. Sheikha doesn't like painting. She is art. She doesn't like painting. This means she's bad at, good at, worse at, or nice at. She doesn't like. It's the opposite of likes. So it should be the opposite answer. Here was good at, and here should be well done, bad at. Read and choose the correct answer. We're still studying grammar. Space you eat lunch at school. Space you eat lunch at school. What should we write on this space? Is you wrong? Are you? Maybe. Do you? Or does you? Excellent students. Do you eat lunch at school? Do you eat lunch at school? So that is the correct answer. 2. Umar likes football because it's fun. Umar likes football because it is fun. Which one is correct? Umar likes play, plays, playing, or played. Don't forget we said after likes we have to add what to the verb? We have to add ing. So it is playing. Excellent students. Here, she pays breakfast at 6 o'clock every morning. She pays breakfast at 6 o'clock every morning. She is singular, and we have to add what to he, she, it. When we talk about habits and present simple, she eats, ate, eating. Yes, that's right. Eats is the correct answer. Why? Because we have to add s to he, she, it, and this is she when we are using the present simple tense. Because we are talking about habit or something that repeats regularly. Something that repeats regularly. Four, we like the bus to school. We like, we said before, like, hates, prefer, every word that or every verb that describes our emotions, like hate, dislikes, enjoy, all these verbs should be followed hmm, by ing. So we like taking the bus to school. We are good at books in English. Good at, it's the same. It takes ing. Good at, bad at, you have to add to the next or the following verb ing. So we are good at reading, and she is bad at cooking pizza. Why, teacher? Because as I told you now, good at and bad at, these two words should be followed with a verb plus ing, as you see here in these answers, reading and cooking. I think it's clear. Great. Do as shown between brackets. Study English is easy. Study English is easy. Of course it is for those who study hard or give the appropriate effort to the language. So how can we start the sentence? We start the sentence with a verb like this. Study English is easy. No, teacher. We have to add yes, honey. We have to add ing. So studying English is easy. Studying English is easy. To read comic books is nice. Read comic books is nice. So what's the wrong word? The wrong word is read. It's the same as the first one. We don't start the sentence like this. We have to add what? Yeah, we add ing. It becomes reading. It becomes reading comic books is nice. And here, eat fruits. It's the same, eating fruits. And the last one, collect stamps, is my favorite hobby. No, it is collecting. Excellent students, collecting stamps is my favorite hobby. And here we come to the last phase, which is the writing. In this writing section, write about your day. So we have two topics. The first one, write about your day. The second topic, write about your favorite subject. Write about your favorite subject. And the first one is write about your day. So any suitable answers, any suitable sentences related to these topics will be accepted. Why? Because there is no one thing that you have to write here. Each one can express his thoughts related to these topics or ideas, and it will be accepted, inshallah. I hope you find these. I hope you find this revision useful and easy, and we wish you all the best, inshallah. Thank you for watching, and see you next term, and goodbye.